What is important for a workshop to handle air conditioning systems on high voltage systems? The air conditioning system is a very important component of the whole car. Sometimes the air conditioning system is responsible to cool down the high voltage battery. Before you start working on these systems, please check the informations. It's not only a question what is the correct cooling fluid inside of that system, it's also now a question of the oil. We need an oil with some very high specific for some specific battery electric vehicles. Without this resistance, isolation monitoring will not allow that the car starts the driving process. So be clever and find the correct information before you start the working process on these cars.